Hey guys, macro view before we just zone in a little bit on Ethereum. I should have done an Ethereum versus Bitcoin when I was doing the Ethereum versus dollar. So I'm looking at 4 hourly just to give you context. That's literally from when Ethereum started running all the way up to its high over here. Quite realistic for a 61.8% pullback, which could see a dip below the 10s and even a 50% to the 8s in terms of what it's done. This has gone up 15 times if you're at 0.01 here to get up to 15 and a half there relative to Bitcoin, which of itself was going up. So you've got to understand Ethereum has had a lot of joy rubbed into its chest. The VIX Medi-Night has been rubbed deeply and they've inhaled really strong. So the notion that we have a little bit of a pullback shouldn't be a biggest of surprises. This was our first setup. We thought that had reversal. It actually melted up another leg further, and that was absolutely parabolic and vicious. This was our first inverted HVF with a little primer. That was your break, and overperformance is the key when you get first set up in a new trend. We teach you all about this. And it's set up again. Now it's just run targets, so it's not the time to panic sell, which is probably going to have a little bit of a rally here against Bitcoin at this level. That doesn't mean it's rallying and it's all over. It just means it might get a little bit of respite before possibly continuing. So we haven't seen sign of bottoming yet, and we're getting inverted setups which are making target. But a rally here and a bit of a churn, and then off we go. As I say, we teach you about overperformance. That's what these two lines are and how it works. You can find out by getting in touch with support at the Market Sniper or visiting our site to find out more about our training on this. I am not actually short, although I will take a short between two cryptos. I have said be careful, don't short my rules. What I mean is don't short a crypto against fiat generally. But I think even that may have a day where it might happen, but it shouldn't be something you do with any great regularity. Two cryptos relative to each other, certainly we can, and this could have, would have, and should have been a short over here, and it would have been rewarded quite well with what's gone on subsequently. There was a lack of zip following that bounce, and it set up, and this really low volatility was leaning on the trapdoor, and off she went. Anyway, so Ethereum, if you're holding it, you're feeling pain, but you may get a small rally now. So if you're not out already, but you need to get out, short the rally. The hodl crew, well, you've been hodling and you've been well rewarded. So you'll just have to hodl through anything that might be a 30% pullback. And we'll see how you get on. That's it from me. And yeah, reminder, support at the Market Sniper if you want to chat. You could see, by the way, that OBV was dissipating after making those highs. It never met those highs again. Even the secondary highs wasn't met again. And then so it trended down, and was really battling and then started to properly spill. So not good Ethereum. Enough said on that, and we'll talk about other things next time. All the best, and we'll speak to you soon.